Hey guys, subscribe to CodeBode and please press the bell icon so that you get notified every time we upload a new video. Happy learning! Hello friends, welcome to CodeBode. In the last video, we saw what are data types and variables. In this video, let's do more manipulations with the variables and understand how they work. So in the previous video, we had done calculations of number with itself. Let's see that program. So this was the program, and we had performed addition, subtraction, etc. on the number with itself. This time let's do it with two numbers. So we will take first number in a variable, let's say number 1. So I'm going to write int number 1 equal to 10, and we will need one more variable as number 2. So int number 2 equal to 20, and one more third variable for storing the result. So this time we are not going to print the results directly in the print statement, but instead we will store it in a variable and then print that variable. So let's say int result. We will initialize it with 0 first. We are further going to do operations on it and store the results in this variable. So initially we are going to give it the value 0. This is a good practice. Now let's perform addition first. So we can say result equal to, since the result is going to store the result equal to number 1 plus number 2. And then print the result by saying addition of number 1 and number 2 is plus result. So since result has the addition output, it is going to print the output. We can also make number 1 and number 2 dynamic. We'll just put variables instead of these strings. We'll concat them with a plus sign. So this way it will print addition of number 1, that is 10. Addition of 10 and 20 is 30. We will run and check this. But before that, let's do subtraction also. So I'm going to say result equal to number 1 minus number 2. And since we are doing result equal to again, the previous value of result will be overwritten by the new result. The same we'll do with multiplication, division, and for exponential this time. So let's see. Since we had already initialized and given the data type of result at the top, we are not going to do this again. We can just use the result value. So in this way, we have printed the results of all operations. Let's go ahead and run this program and check the output. So run as Java application, and here you can see all the results have been printed, and it has printed that addition of 10 and 20, subtraction of 20, 10 and 20, and likewise. So we have printed results of the operation using a third variable. So here is one more practice problem for you. Try doing the same with float or double. You just have to change the data type, and the rest no changes are needed. So go ahead and try it. In the next video, we will see how to execute this program by taking input from the user. So stay tuned and subscribe to this channel, and also share this video. Thank you.